Welcome to our 5 on 5. Please be joined today by Teri Smith, the Dean of Health and Public Service for RCC. Good to see you. Thanks for
having me.
So pretty exciting week for you last week. I guess breaking ground on a new building at the White City Table Rock campus. Why is RCC building this new center?
Sure. So healthcare in Southern Oregon, as nationwide, is continuing to increase in need, and Rogue Community College continues to work with our industry partners to help with academic programs and trainings that will provide workforce, industry-ready individuals to help meet those healthcare needs.
And I think we were talking before we started. The idea is to help train these local people and keep them local for these local jobs. So how much communication is there between RCC and the Providences, the Asantes, the big local healthcare companies?
So big and small. We have a constant communication, and as a matter of fact, in a more formal capacity, we have advisory committees that all of our healthcare trainings have industry partners who participate, and they let us know what's changed, what's new, what they need, things that we might not be aware of without being out in the field. They bring that information to us. Our statement is always that we want to know what we need to train individuals inside RCC so that they're ready to go out and perform those tasks in industry.
And the school has that great property out on Table Rock, and you guys are obviously, that's where you're expanding here. Are those classes currently taking place here in Medford, or are they in Grants Pass?
Yeah, no, they're all over the place. Our nursing, our ADN, our 2-year nursing program is currently at our Redwood campus in Grants Pass, but the high fidelity simulation lab for that program is at our Medford campus, as well as all of our allied health programs, which includes dental assisting, medical coding. There are a lot of programs that we have at the Riverside campus. Everything will be co-located now at our Table Rock campus at the Health Professions Center.
Okay, and is there a timeline for, I mean, obviously you guys are pretty early in the process,
Yes.
And you never know with construction, but what is the goal for opening the new center?
Adroit has told us that we can open fall term 2020, so that's what we're shooting for. Yeah,
that's
we're
not
excited.
So far away.
No, it's going to be a quick timeline.
That is impressive. Okay, well, we're going to take a quick commercial break. We'll have much more in just a moment. Stay with us. Welcome back to our 5 on 5. We're going to hear Teri Smith, the Dean of Instruction for the School of Health and Public Service at RCC. So we're talking about the groundbreaking you guys have on this new center at the White City Table Rock campus. What exact programs will be taught there, and how many students is it going to serve?
Sure. So our 2-year nursing degree is 32 students per year, so that's a total of 64. Our practical nursing program is 16 students per year. Our dental assistant program will allow up to 30. We're excited that we're going to be able to offer dental hygiene in this program, which is a brand new degree for Southern Oregon, something that's not currently offered. Folks would have to go to Eugene or to Klamath Falls in order to get dental hygiene training. That also will offer up to 30. Our biggest program is medical assisting right now. We offer medical assisting in cohorts of 30, and we're starting this spring, we're doubling the number of students that we're going to be able to offer per year, reaching up to 120 students that we can offer trainings to and put right out into industry.
Yeah, okay, cool. And so these are there job opportunities for these people locally?
Yes, 94% of our students are hired before they even graduate, finish the programs that they're in. And that goes for all of our programs. The ones that I mentioned are direct patient care, but it's important to note that we also have programs for folks that don't ever want to see or touch a patient. Really important skill sets in things like sterile processing technician, medical coding and billing, medical administrative assistant. Those are jobs that folks can have that are behind the scenes and maybe don't have that patient interaction.
Interesting. Okay, so you guys are really seem to be expanding at that White City campus. How much of this has to do with the bond? It was a couple of years ago.
Sure. So we were fortunate that the citizens of Jackson and Josephine County supported an $11.7 million bond in 2016. For this building, we were able to match with $8 million of matching funds that we had from the state of Oregon, as well as lots of additional funding that's come in just from private donors to our foundation.
Wow.
It's been a very supported project, and we really want to thank the citizens of Southern Oregon for this.
And I think you said in the break that, you know, obviously RCC partnered with SOU at the Higher Education Center Center here downtown. But this project is like RCC's first solo in Jackson County?
It is. It's you know, we've had the property in White City for some time, but this is our first project where it's a building that we designed from the ground up, all on our own, and we're excited to see what opportunities we can offer for students.
It's only like a year and a half away from opening. It's
fall
impressive.
of 2020 we'll have students in there.
That's exciting. Good to see you. Thanks for
Thank you
breaking
so
it down
much,
for
Craig.
us. Stay with us. We'll be right back.